everybody! Happy New Year 2021! Wow, time flies so fast. I like to start this year with a really healthy and delicious broccoli recipe. Broccoli 두부 무침 in Korean, in English, broccoli with tofu. Probably you saw when you go to Korean restaurant, it looks like a kind of white snow on top of broccoli. So pretty. I'm boiling water right now to blanch tofu and broccoli. Here, 1 teaspoon salt. And tofu. Medium or firm tofu is good. So this is for stew making. And I'll use just around the half. Around the 8-ounce tofu. Add this here. And cover. This is broccoli that I'm going to use. And I need only 14 ounce. I always eat also stems. Stems are so delicious. So around 2 inches above and cut off. This is exactly 14 ounce. Split this floret like this. And this is just a cut half, all by the size. There is a thick skin. Just slice this in the bite-sized pieces. So my tofu is now already 3 minutes blanched. For 3 minutes, it's really get softer again. See, soft. And I set aside here. Add broccoli to the same water. If you like the large size broccoli, and then you need to blanch just a longer time, but usually 3 or 4 minutes is enough. But still, broccoli should be really soft, and then when I chew this, a nice kind of a texture. That's what I want. Now, just I blanch this 3 minutes. Let's take it out. And then I like to rinse in cold water because I didn't wash this broccoli. Just I'm going to mix this here. That's all. Almost done now. And tofu on the bottom a little water. So I'm going to squeeze out, just using my hand. You don't have to squeeze really too much, just like this. Okay. So broccoli and squeeze the tofu here. Tofu is still warm. And 1 green onion and 2 garlic cloves. Green onion. I'll just add this. Here. Now we gotta add salt. 2 teaspoons for this amount. And sesame oil, about 1 tablespoon. So now this break up the tofu. By hand is the best. Easily you can break. So first, break tofu and then mix this seasoning. Wow, sesame oil smells so good. And then transfer to bowl or plate. Tofu looks like snow. So broccoli tofu is done. And sesame seeds. So let me taste. A little tofu too. Soft and nutty. So delicious. Good tip for this dish is broccoli should be cooked properly so we can enjoy the soft texture. If you are looking for some diet food, you can add a little more tofu and just eat as one meal. Why not? It's a protein, just a really low carb, so it'll be a good diet food. My chicken. So I made roasted chicken to give you guys an idea how to serve this. You can serve this as a side dish for rice or noodles, barbecue, Korean barbecue, and also this is a roasted chicken. Roasted chicken, I just use my oven and just nicely done. So it's going to be a good kind of a party food. You can do this. Check out the recipe if you want to make this. So today we made broccoli dubu muchim, broccoli with tofu. Enjoy my recipe. See you next time. Bye.